In this video, I will show you the exact way to fix OBS game capture black screen problem. So the first solution is check you are using game capture correctly in OBS. So you have to take a new scene first of all, and under sources, click on this plus icon to create a new source and select game capture. Now click on this mode drop down, and here you can select capture specific window, or you can select capture any full screen application. So select any of them, and here click on this window drop down and select the game you want to add to your OBS, and make sure the game actually running in your computer background before adding the game on your OBS. Okay, now just click on OK. And if you added multiple sources, make sure to put the game capture source at the top of your source list, and then go ahead and resize your game capture. You can fit with your screen. You can also stretch to screen just like this, and then go ahead and check the error. And the second solution is we have to run our OBS Studio as an administrator. To do that, go ahead and exit your OBS Studio and then search for OBS Studio, right click on OBS and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Some games, especially DirectX 12 ones, won't hook properly unless OBS has elevated permissions. Our next solution is use window capture as a backup. If game capture keeps failing, you can add window capture or display capture. To do that, from source, click on this plus icon and you can select window capture, or you can select display capture and click on OK. Now click on this window drop down and select the game you are trying to add to your OBS, and then just click on OK. And now go ahead and resize the game with your screen. And that's how you will be able to fix game capture black screen issue on OBS.